Okay, Frank, I'm here with Frank Bennett of iCloud. So let's talk to us for a second about iCloud. Frank, introduce yourself and introduce the business you run.
Thank you very much, Ian. My name is Frank Bennett. I'm the sole director of iCloud, actually. And iCloud's business is about publishing books, and my consultancy business, which is primarily working with vendors and helping them with their go-to-market strategies for cloud computing.
I see. Okay, and you've written a couple of books, haven't you? Which I'm sure please tell us about those books you've written.
Yes, I've written two books, one for Microsoft and one for Google. The Microsoft series of books started back 3 years ago when they first came to market with Microsoft Business Productivity Online Services, and I've since revised the book twice with various rebranding of that product, Microsoft Online Services and now Office 365. That book is available in Microsoft Partner Network. The book for Google is slightly different in that the Google book, I went to Google with an idea, they liked the idea, they commissioned me to write a book. That book is for the end user audience and talks to them about cloud computing and why they might use Google Apps in their business. That book is also available from Google through their partner portal.
Right. We're actually going to be having it on our on the managed service expert portal as well. So.
And I'm delighted to hear that, and I'm really pleased with this development.
Okay. So how do you what's your views on cloud computing? Where's it going? How's it going to be driven? How's the market going to work?
Oh, it's a shift. It's a seismic shift. I mean, to be part of the IT now it's a super time. It's a great opportunity, and get on with it. It's now, my view is this, in answer to your question. I've been tracking this for 10 years, been part of it for 10 years, more specifically very heavily involved in the last 5 as a practitioner, advising companies like Microsoft, Google and other NASDAQ-listed companies on cloud computing. I think we're near a tipping point, to be honest with you, and there's lots of reasons for that. Part of it's to do with the economy, part to do with growing acceptance of cloud computing. And I'm just looking at some statistics here from a very recent survey in terms of what the business drivers are for cloud computing. And the business drivers are flexibility, cost, agility in a business, which is all very interesting. These are common messages. You'll see them from Cloud Industry Forum and Eurocloud. And also when I look at the key drivers for cloud adoption across Europe, most customers are saying the key driver is helping them to manage their IT costs in their business and the avoidance of CapEx.
Right.
Secondary to that, they're looking to the innovation of the cloud. And there's a lot of that. And for me, IT, innovation has now not drifted, it's just gravitated rapidly to the cloud, and that's where innovation is happening. So if you want innovation in your business through IT, look to the cloud.
Okay, that's a very eloquent summary of where we're going there. What can we expect from you in the near future?
Well, in the near future, I'm going to carry on consulting. I am involved in rewriting the Google book. This time we're going to have a specific focus on SMEs, not-for-profit and education businesses, addressing the end-user audience. This group, very large group of course, of potential customers for this technology. They're not exactly neglected, but neither do they have a lot of time to invest and be informed about these developments. So we're going to write in business speak ideas and ways in which they can use Google Apps in their business, which will help them transform their businesses using IT. Level the playing field. We'll talk about the democratization of IT, we'll talk about the consumerization of IT, we'll put it in their perspective, their language, and we hope it's going to work. I've chosen, and I'm very grateful to Dr. Peter Chowder, who will be my co-author on this, and we hope to have this book complete by the end of December 2012.
Right, that's a pretty tight deadline.
I find in life, the more time you give yourself, the more time you'll hang around, put yourself under some pressure, make it happen quickly. Besides which, the cloud is about speed and agility, so you can't really hang around. You have to just keep going at this.
That's a fair point, really, aren't they? Yeah. So, anything else you want to add?
Well, at this time, for me, I continue to research cloud computing, build my network of people. You'll find me on LinkedIn. You'll also find me through my website, www.frankbennett.co.uk. You'll see my professional interests, my work. Please do come to me, connect with me. Let's share our experiences and learnings.
Frank, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.
Thank you.
Cheers.